system acting on a body OABC as shown in figure. Also find the points where the resultant will be cut, x and y axis, full stop. What is the distance of the resultant from O? Okay, so these are the at A, B, C, D, C, O forces it is acted. So this one it is coplanar non-concurrent force system. Okay, so first of all, to calculate the beta value. Okay, so beta value it is, we need to consider this is angle, this triangle OBC. Okay, so tan beta is equal to, we know that tan beta is equal to tan beta is equal to tan beta is equal to tan beta is equal to, so opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side it is 3 meter, opposite side it is 3 meter, and adjacent side it is OA is equal to, it is BC. So that's why it will be 4 meter. That's why it will be 4 meter. 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter. So beta is equal to this tan inverse 3 by 4. 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 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay, so from this relation it will be get beta value. So beta is equal to, write down, beta is equal to so it will be shift tan, it will be get tan inverse 3 by 4. It will be 36.869. 36.869. Okay. So angle of this total angle, it will be alpha plus beta is equal to, it is 90 degree. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to, it is 90 degree. Here alpha plus beta is equal to, it is 90 degree. Is equal to, it is 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay, so alpha is equal to, it will be alpha is equal to it is 90 minus 36.869. So 90 minus 36.869, it will be get 53.130. 53.130. Okay, so this angle it is 53.130. 53.130. Okay, so now resolve all the forces. Resolve all the forces. Resolve all the forces. Okay, so first of all, resolve this 20 Newton load. So I will erase this one. 53.130. Angle it is 53.130. Okay, so resolve this 20 Newton load first of all. This, so angle it is with respect to horizontal. So that's why first of all it is 20 cos 53.130 on x. On y it will be 20 sine 53.130. 53.130. Okay, 53.130. Okay, so other forces are acted only horizontal or vertical. Okay, after resolution, calculate sum of all the horizontal forces. Sum of all horizontal forces. Sum of all the horizontal forces. Horizontal forces. Sum of all the horizontal forces. So for that assumption, when the force going it is right side, it will be take positive. The direction of force it is in right side, then it will be take positive. If the direction of force it is in left side, then it will be take negative. The direction of force it is in left side, then it will be take negative. Okay, so first of all, this summation fx is equal to algebraic sum of, otherwise or you can say it will be rx is equal to Rx is equal to summation fx is equal to summation of fx is equal to summation of fx is equal to summation of fx is equal to, so 20 cos 53.130. So it is going right side, so it will be positive 20 cos 53.130. Okay, so at C it will be vertical force, at O it will be left side, so that is minus 20. So from this relation it will be at Rx is equal to so 20 cos 53.130 then minus 20, so it will be at minus 8 kilonewton. Okay, then find out sum of all the vertical forces. Now sum of all vertical forces. So for that assumption, when the force it is upward, it will be take positive. The direction of force it is in upward, then it will be take positive. The direction of force it is in downward, then it will be take negative. The direction of force it is in downward, then it will be take negative. Okay, so for that summation, otherwise Ry is equal to summation of Fy summation of Fy is equal to, so first it is 20 sine 53.130, it is downward direction, so minus 20 sine 53.130, then that's 10 kilonewton, it is also going downward, minus 10, then 20 it is going at A, it is 20, it is upward direction, so it is plus 20. Okay, so from this relation Ry is equal to, it will be Ry is equal to summation Fy is equal to, so minus 20 sine 53.130, then minus 10, then plus 20, so it will be minus 6 kilonewton. Okay, so now find out resultant of force. Resultant of force it is R is equal to root of summation fx square plus summation fy square, or rx square plus ry square, or rx square or summation fx square, rx square plus ry square plus ry square plus ry square plus ry square is equal to root of in bracket minus 8 square plus minus 6 square, then plus minus 6 square plus in bracket minus 6 square. Okay, 6 square. So when you square of minus value, it will be get plus value. So R is equal to, it will be 8 square plus 6 square, root of answer it will be get 10 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton. Okay, this one it is resultant. Okay, this one it is resultant of the force system. Okay, now calculate direction of resultant. Direction of resultant that is tan theta is equal to it is equal to ry by rx, or summation fy by fx, or ry by rx. So ry by rx it will be ry, it is minus Ry it is minus 6 by minus 8, minus 6 by minus 8, minus 6 by minus 8, minus 8. Okay. So theta is equal to, it will be get theta is equal to tan inverse 6 by 8. Theta is equal to tan inverse 6 by 8. 6 by 8. It will be 36.868. 36.868. Okay. So this one it is theta, direction of the resultant. Okay, direction of resultant. So now calculate location of resultant with respect to x and y. So question was it is what is the distance of resultant from O? Can say it will be distance of resultant from O. So now apply Varignon's theorem. Apply Varignon's theorem. Apply Varignon's theorem. Apply Varignon's theorem. So for that, summation of, first of all, calculate moment. We need to calculate moment at O. Moment at O. Moment at O. Okay. So for that, and the moment it is in clockwise direction, it will be take negative. The direction of movement it is clockwise, it will be take negative. The direction of movement it is anti-clockwise, then it will be take positive. The direction of movement it is anti-clockwise, then it will be take negative. Okay. So for that, first moment at O. So first of all, that's 10 kilonewton load. It is rotating about the, how it is rotating here, 10 kilonewton. So it is rotating clockwise direction. Okay. So perpendicular distance it is how much? This distance. So this one it is perpendicular distance O to B. Okay. O to B it is, this distance it is actually 5 meter. How it is 5 meters? By using Pythagoras theorem, 3 square plus 4 square. Okay. So we know that Pythagoras theorem for angle OBC. So OBC, so OB square is equal to Pythagoras theorem. It will be as per the Pythagoras theorem. So BC square plus OC square. Okay. So BC square OC square it will be 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square it will be get BC square. How much it will be? BC square it will be 4 square. OC square it will be 3 square. OC square it will be 3 square. So total it will be get 25. 4 square it is 16. 3 square it will be 9. 25. So OB square is equal to 25. So OB is equal to it is 5 meter. OB is equal to it is 5 meter. So that's why perpendicular distance it is 5 meter. So moment at O is equal to, so first of all this 20 kilonewton it is rotating clockwise direction. So 20 into 4, 20 into 4, sorry 5, 20 into 5. Then that's, then second force it is 10 kilonewton going at points O. So there is no perpendicular distance. So it will be 0. So now 20 kilonewton it is going, how it is rotating? It will be rotating anti-clockwise direction. This one it is clockwise direction actually. 20 kilonewton it is rotating clockwise direction. So clockwise it will be, where consider it is negative. Okay. So this one it is minus, and anti-clockwise we are considered it is plus. So that's this 20 kilonewton it is anti-clockwise direction. Here it will be rotating anti-clockwise direction. So plus 20 into 4. Okay. So first 20 kilonewton, this it is rotating how? This 20 it is rotating how it is? It is clockwise direction. So clockwise direction we are considering negative. So minus 20 into 5. and this 20 kilonewton at E, it will be rotating. How it is rotating this one? So this 20 it is rotating anti-clockwise, and this 20 kilonewton at B, it will be at B point, it will be rotating clockwise. So minus 20 into 5. Then this 40 kilonewton, it is rotating anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction we are considered it is plus 40. Okay. So MO is equal to moment at O is equal to, it will be moment at O is equal to 20 into 5 minus 100 plus 20 into 40, it is 80, then plus 40. So it will be 20 kilonewton meter. 20 kilonewton meter. 20 kilonewton meter moment at O. Okay. So now distance of resultant from O. Calculate distance of resultant from O. Okay. So for that, apply the Varignon's theorem. Apply the Varignon's theorem. Varignon's theorem. Varignon's theorem. Okay. So for that, summation of MO is equal to Ry into X. Ry into X. So summation of MO, it is 20 kilonewton meter. 20 kilonewton meter. Okay. So we actually MO we have got positive, means it will be clockwise movement. So movement it is in clockwise direction. So 20 is equal to, so Ry it is, we are calculated Ry, how much it will be? Ry it will be 6 kilonewton meter. 6 into X. 6 into X. It will be get from this relation X value. Okay. X value. It will be get relation from this X value. Okay. So 20 divided by 6, it will be 3.3 meter. So X is equal to, it is 3 meter. So X is equal to, it is 3 meter. X is equal to, it is 3 meter. 3.3 meter. 3.3 meter. Okay. So now apply for second Kaplan's theorem. Summation of M0, summation of MO is equal to Ry into Y. So summation of M0, it is 20 is equal to, so Ry it is 8 into Y. So Y is equal to, it will be get Y is equal to 20 by 8. So it will be 2.5 meter. Okay, 2.5 meter. So now locate the location. Okay, so I will show here. It will be x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so it is located in third quadrant. Why it is third quadrant? Because reaction, both the reaction Rx and Ry will be both are negative. So that's why it will be located here. So R is equal to, it is 10 kilonewton. R is equal to, it is 10 kilonewton. Okay, 10 kilonewton. And theta it is 36.86. Angle it is 36.86. So angle it is 36.86. Okay. So now distance, just show the distance, location of distance. So y is equal to, it is 2.5 meter. Y is equal to, it is 2.5 meter, and x is equal to, it is 3.33 meter. 3.33 meter. X is equal to 3.33 meter. So this is location of resultant. Okay, it is located in third quadrant. Okay, because summation fx and summation fy, it is both are negative. So that's why it is located in third quadrant. So distance from the y, this one it is O point. This one it is O. Okay, this one it is O. So from O, x distance is 3.3 meter and y distance it is 2.5 meter. Okay.